This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the file size of a photo on your Mac. Here I have a photo that I downloaded from Pixabay, and it's about 8 megabytes large. And if you were to take a photo with your phone, of course, you might know that some of your photos might be even larger, but that's not necessarily great for email and things like that. So if you want to change the size of your photo in Preview, which is where you will open the photo, click on Tools, then click on Adjust Size. Here, you can change the size of the photo by changing its pixels, or you can click here to use other measurements, or you can fit it into predetermined sizes. So I'm going to choose 1024 by 1024. Now notice that my file is going to go from 7.9 megabytes to 255 kilobytes. So it's significantly lowered the size of that photo, making it easier to send over email or upload to websites with file size limits and things like that. And once you do that, you click OK, and you might say, oh, that's kind of small. But when you save it and open it back up, it will look normal. So this video shows you how to make the size of your photos smaller on a Mac using the built-in Preview app. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.